Back at the field, a little bit of a windy day, but it's beautiful to fly, beautiful blue sky. Flying with the UMX Conscendo right now, and everything's ready to fly. Let's check it out. Alright, we're going to launch slightly into the wind there. It's a little bit of a crosswind coming from just about out of the sun, so we're going to take off just a little bit off it. There we go. And you can see it drifting already. It's going to be a fun flight. Conscendo handles wind pretty well. Guess I shouldn't say pretty well, it handles it really well. Probably the best one from a UMX perspective to handle the wind. Definitely drifting a lot to the there we go. Nice little stall into the wind. Nice and high. A little bit of a tip stall there on the right side. The wind is just holding it up nicely. Zero throttle. I'm going to add some throttle, getting a little lower there. Take it back out. Yeah, pretty windy out there. Nice doing loops. Back to a zero throttle. Nice glide. See how far she can glide this time. And look at the hit drift. Add some power and bring it back into a range that I can actually feel it's controllable in the wind. Flying on a 2S 300 milliamp battery again today. Just because of the wind, it would be, probably should have gone with a 3S, but 2S is a good flight time. And lots of gliding in this kind of a day. Got a low flying plane heading into the Air Force Base over here, or the local. Oh, wind really picked up there. I had a little bit of throttle, not much. Oop. And that really is kicking in. You can hear that jet coming in behind me to my left. See if I can get a quick little view of it. There it is. .374 in the volts, and we got about 7 minutes to go according to my timing, so that'll be interesting. Ooh, wind is definitely playing with this Conscendo when I'm under zero throttle. It's really moving around. I'm just going to keep a little bit of throttle on so it's got some more stable mode. Tree colors for the foliage are starting to get past. Getting that kind of burnty color look. Definitely a lot of leaves down in our backyard now, and the trees are starting to look bare. Whoa, just blowing sideways. And just sitting there. I don't want to lose the Conscendo, so I may just bring her down. These gusts are really getting pretty strong, as you can see just from the plane just sitting there. And just had a little bit of a calm point happen, so we'll go for another minute.
5 minutes.
AS3X is getting a workout today. That's the wind stabilization in the receiver. Now we're down to 351, so I think what I'll do is glide and bring her down. Been a fun flight, a lot of full throttle, especially in the last couple of minutes here. Go around again with a little glide. A little bit of throttle. Bring it around over the top of the socket goal, wide of the socket goal. And bring her in for a landing.
Disarm. Safety off.
Thanks for watching.